Here's the tissue box with the 1080p pinhole camera right here. Here's a tissue box camera. It's got a 1080p camera right here. It's got built-in Wi-Fi. It's got a 5-hour battery that comes with the unit. Can be upgraded to a 50-hour battery if needed. It also includes the quick start guide, user manual, and of course free tech support from Spy Center Security. With the 1080p pinhole camera right here, to set this one up, open up the bottom and you plug in your power. This is the battery that comes with it. It's a 5-hour battery. It is upgradable though to a 50-hour battery. And then you have your unit here. Make sure you have your SD card. Got 32 gig up to 128. You slide this little switch right here to the red. Red means on, power, ready to go. The rest of the setup's on your phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. And the QR code for this model is on the back of the unit. Next, you'll show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to spycenter.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.